Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be unboxing the Lakeland 2-in-1 stand mixer and the Home Flour 2-in-1 blender. This cake mixer is the Lakeland 2-in-1 hand and stand mixer. It's perfect for combining, folding, mixing, whipping and kneading ingredients for your favorite cakes, bakes, biscuits and bread. It can be used as a stand mixer, or if you prefer to use it as a hand mixer, you can easily detach the mixer from the stand. When in the stand mixer mode, the bowl automatically rotates, making it easier to mix your ingredients. Just add ingredients into the bowl and the machine does all the work for you. It comes with 2 whisk beaters and 2 dough hooks for a varied range of baking tasks. The whisk beaters are used for higher speeds when mixing cake mixtures, whipped cream, egg whites, while the dough hook is used on lower speed for thicker mixtures such as your bread or any tough dough mixture. I love this particular Lakeland mixer because it comes with a splash guard that keeps your ingredients in the bowl to avoid any form of spillage. Comparing this to other smaller mixers I've used, I prefer this Lakeland mixer, especially because it creams fast and smooth, and also it has this splash guard that prevents any form of spillage. It also comes with this hand mixer and a 3.5 liter automatic rotating stainless steel bowl. It comes with this mixer stand. It also has this instruction booklet on how to assemble it. It's very easy to assemble. To assemble it, fix the beaters or the dough hooks to the hand mixer and place it on top of the mixer stand. Press the mixer release button and the hand mixer will sit perfectly. Press the cradle release lever button and the mixer comes up. Put the rotating bowl. Press the cradle release lever button to bring down the hand mixer and voila, your mixer is set to use. It's so easy. Everything is on the instruction manual and you can easily follow it. The eject button helps to release the bitters or the dough hooks after mixing. The speed switch button helps you to turn the mixer on or switch the mixer off, and also to control the speed. Let me know in the comment section the brand of mixer you're using and how efficient it is. And also, have you used the Lakeland mixer before, or would you want to use it in the future? Let me know in the comment section. Did you enjoy this review? Also, let me know in the comment section. I also got this home flour 2-in-1 blender as a gift. I've not used it before. I'll just be unboxing it today. So let me know in the comment section if you've tried this product before and how efficient it is. I'll be creating some smoothies videos soon, so I'll be trying out this blender and hopefully I'll be able to give a review of how it works, or you would see how it works.